Hey everybody, it's Davida with WTI. And let me tell you, I have been on the hunt for a really good deodorant for so long now. I've always looked for a deodorant that is natural, aluminum free, without fragrance, but that can be kind of hard to find because a lot of the natural deodorants honestly just don't work and they leave you smellier than you were before, which is not a good thing. So this is one of my favorite deodorants. This is the Schmidt's deodorant and I love this scent. This is the lavender and sage scent and it's actually just made with essential oils. It comes right from the plant, so there's no fragrance in it at all. The ingredients are really simple and easy to read. It has baking soda, arrowroot powder, fraction coconut oil, shea butter, vitamin E, all those things we know what they are, so there's no chemicals. And the consistency is really, really smooth, as you can see. I'll put a little bit like on my, I don't know if you can see it on there, but it's almost just like really, really thick, not body butter, but just, it's a really thick but soft deodorant. It does not get on your clothes, it does not stain your clothes, and it lasts for a long time. So the wear is really, really good. So fantastic deodorant, I would recommend it, and that is my point of view.